Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change email at Agoda. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Agoda official website. So when you have logged in and signed up successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be a circular icon. You just have to click on that icon and a pop-up box will appear. And inside my account section, on the bottom of that my account section, there will be profile. You just have to click on it and profile section will be appeared right in front of you. And on the right hand side of the screen, there will be user details and there will be different things like name, email, phone number and password. Now you just have to look at the email and you just have to look on the right hand side of the email. There isn't any edit or add button, but if you look at any other option like name, phone number or password, there are buttons like edit or add. So that basically means that you won't be able to change email at Agoda. But if you want to change email at Agoda, then you just have to create a new account by using a new mail. So to conclude, you won't be able to change email at Agoda. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.